Welcome to the Hitachi ID Systems demo series featuring Hitachi ID Bravura Identity. This video will demonstrate how the administrator can view entitlements, detect excess or deficient access, run the role-based access control or RBAC enforcement engine, and auto-submit a request to correct a violation to bring the user back into compliance with their assigned role. Over time, manual changes to user access can result in excess or insufficient entitlements for their assigned role, allowing either too much or too little access to system resources. Hitachi ID Bravura Identity's enforcement engine can quickly identify users who have surplus or deficit entitlements compared to their assigned roles, and auto-submit workflow requests to correct violations. First, we'll view entitlements for the IT Help Desk role. Then, we'll remove a user from an associated and required group. Next, we'll run auto discovery. Then, we'll take a look at the automated RBAC request. And finally, we'll see the results of the corrected violation in Active Directory. To log into Hitachi ID Bravura Identity as an administrator, click Demo. Expand the administrator role and select Super User. You can bypass authentication for this demo. You may need to click it twice. We'll take a look at the IT Help Desk role entitlements. From the Administrative Options menu, select Manage the System. On the top menu, hover your mouse cursor over Resources, and then select Roles. In the search field, type IT and press Enter. Select the IT Help Desk role. This displays role information. To view entitlements for this role, click on the Entitlements tab. Here, we see ServiceNow listed in the Account Entitlements. If you click on Managed Group Entitlements, you'll see the groups associated with this role. Note that the IT ServiceNow Users group is required for the Corporate AD target system. If you click on the Users tab, you'll see all analysts that have this role, for which role-based access control is enforced. Next, we'll open Active Directory Users and Computers and remove one of the users from the IT ServiceNow Users group to generate a deficit violation. I've already established an RDP session with the demo host computer and then with IDM1. Click on the Start menu and select Active Directory Users and Computers. Select the demo folder and click on the Find Objects icon. Search for IT and click Find Now. Double-click on IT ServiceNow users to open and view group properties. To view associated users, click on the Members tab. Select a user. I'll select Cleveland. And click Remove. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to remove Cleveland from the group. Then click OK. This user is now in deficit. He is missing a specified group from his assigned IT Help Desk role definition. Return to the Hitachi ID Bravura Identity Demo tab with Super User logged in so we can run auto discovery. This will make the system aware of the deficit. We're still in the Manage the System module. On the top menu, hover your mouse cursor over Maintenance, then Auto Discovery, and select Execute Auto Discovery. Click Continue, and then click Refresh until the page shows Auto Discovery is not running. This may take a few minutes. The RBAC enforcement engine has run, detected the deficiency, and automatically submitted a request as automation-RBAC to correct it. Let's take a look at the request. Click Home. From the Administrative Options menu, select Requests. In the Workflow Manager section, click Recent. Here we can see the Resolve Enforcement Violations request. Click on it to view the Details panel. The requester is Automation RBAC, and the status is now processed. To see more details, click on the request number. The request was automatically generated, approved, and processed. The result column shows success. This means the violation was resolved. Close the Request Details pop-up. Next, we'll confirm that the deficit has been resolved. If we return to the RDP session window and Active Directory users and computers. Reopen the IT ServiceNow users group and click on the Members tab. We'll see that Cleveland has now been added back to the group, putting him automatically back in compliance with his assigned role. Close Properties, the Find dialog box, and the Active Directory Users and Computers window. Minimize the RDP session window and return to the Hitachi ID Bravura Identity Demo tab, and log out from Superuser. This concludes our demonstration of auto-assignment of entitlements based on assigned role, using Hitachi ID Bravura Identity. Note that this use case can also be demonstrated by temporarily adding an entitlement, for example an AD group, to the role definition. Execute auto discovery and all users will have that entitlement added. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.